Hello everyone, and in this episode we are going to see how to check for the balanced brackets with stack programming and Python. So we know that one of the major applications of stacks is in compiler and interpreter design, and we can check the balanced parenthesis of any expression using stacks, and that is quite easy. I'm going to write definition of a function like is balanced. So it is going to return true or false based on the computation with stack. And that is quite easy. We will just define a stack as an empty list, a custom stack for internal usage. Then we are going to read that expression for char in expr if character in opening normal bracket, opening curly bracket, and opening square bracket. So if the character is in any one of these three things, then we have to push that thing to the stack. Stack dot append char, and else if not stack, it means if the stack is empty. If the current character is not opening bracket, then it must be a closing bracket. So the stack cannot be empty at this particular point, correct? So if the stack is empty, then return false. It means that the statement or the expression that we are passing is not balanced. Similarly, let us check the other condition, CURRENT character equals to stack dot pop. Now the current character is the popped value in the stack, and if the current underscore character equals to the normal opening bracket, then if the character that we are reading from the string is not the closing bracket, return false. And I'm going to copy this and paste it. Okay. And we are actually going to write this entire block for rest of the two cases like this, the curly bracket, this is opening curly bracket, and this is the closing curly bracket, and this is the opening square bracket, and this is the closing square bracket. Okay, so it is going to return false if it doesn't actually find a match for the popped value in the character that we are reading. So our logic is that we are going to push all these values, and then we are going to pop them one by one. And if we don't find the matching brackets, then we are going to return false. And now finally, we are going to check if the stack is empty. Here we are going to check if stack. Now, if the stack has leftover items, then it means that there are few parentheses, closing parentheses that are missing. And I'm going to say return false, else return true. So let us go through the entire program once again. So this is the balanced expression method, and we are passing that expression to that, and we are defining a stack with 0 elements, an empty stack. Whenever we have any sort of opening brackets, we are pushing it to the stack. And finally, we are checking if that stack is not empty, and then we are returning false. Similarly, then we are popping all the items one by one. And then if we don't find the match for the popped opening brackets, in the closing brackets, whatever we are reading from the string or expression, then we are returning false. And we are doing it for all the three cases. And finally, we are checking if the stack is empty or not. And at this point, if the stack is not empty, then there are few closing brackets that are missing and we are returning false. And finally, we are returning true only in one case, when the stack is empty in the end. Now let's execute this and let us write some driver code. So expr equals to and so this is a sample expression, and let's copy this. Let's paste it here. Let me copy this and paste it here. Let's execute it. And this is balanced. That is why it is saying true. Let me delete one thing. And let's execute this one again and this one also, and it is returning us false. Similarly, if I say something like this, only one closing bracket but no opening bracket, and if I execute it, it should return false. And also if we do it in the reverse order, then also it should return false. Okay. This is also false. So this is how we can check the balanced parenthesis or balanced brackets in any mathematical or computer programming related expression. This is actually one of the important functions of your interpreter to check for the correctness of the syntax. You go to any programming language, and if it has got an IDE, the IDE is going to show that some bracket or parenthesis is missing. And if it has got the compiler, I mean, you can't actually write the code in IDE, and if you directly send that program to compiler or interpreter, it is also going to use the similar technique to check for the balanced parenthesis in any expression that we are going to feed to that compiler or interpreter. So this is one of the most important applications of stack. So I hope that you have understood the concept and you have understood the demonstration. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Do let me know if you have any questions, queries, or comments about this. Thanks a lot once again, and I will meet you in the next episode.